In this video, we'll be focusing on tenses. Specifically, we'll be breaking down the present, past, future, and conditional tenses. We'll explain when to use each tense, provide signal words to help identify them, and give plenty of sentence examples. So let's get right into it. Verb tenses are essential in English because they tell us when an action happens, in the present, the past, or future. Within each of these tenses, we also have simple forms, progressive forms, and perfect forms. We'll go into more detail throughout the video, but for now, keep in mind that a simple tense describes an action that happens, happened, or will happen. A progressive tense describes an ongoing action happening at a certain time, and a perfect tense describes a completed action related to another time. Don't worry too much. As we delve into each tense, we'll give plenty of examples. Let's now look at each of these tenses in more detail. The present tense is used when talking about things happening now or regularly. There are a few variations. The present simple is used for general facts, habits, or routines. For example, I eat breakfast every day, she reads books on Tuesdays, or they birdwatch on weekends. The present progressive is used for actions happening right now, or for temporary situations. For example, I am eating breakfast right now, she is reading a book, or they are currently birdwatching. And the present perfect is used for actions that happened at an unspecified time and are still relevant. For example, I have eaten breakfast already, she has read that book, or they have birdwatched before. Each tense has signal words that help us pinpoint which tense our sentence is in. Signal words for the present tense include always, usually, now, today, and currently. Not every sentence will have a signal word, but those that do can help you identify the correct tense. Let's now take a look at the past tense. The past tense describes actions that have happened before now, that is, in the past. Like the present tense, there are several variations. The past simple is used for actions that happened at a specific time in the past. For example, I sang songs yesterday, he painted a picture last week, or they visited Sydney in 2002. The past progressive is used for actions that were ongoing in the past or interrupted by another action. For example, I was singing songs when the phone rang, he was painting a picture as he listened to the radio, or they were visiting Sydney when she got sick. And the past perfect is used for actions that were completed before another action in the past. For example, I had sung songs before I left for work, he had painted a picture for her birthday, or they had landed in Sydney by the time I arrived. Like the present tense, the past tense also has signal words. Signal words for the past tense include yesterday, last week, in 2014, ago, and when. Again, these signal words help pinpoint which tense we're in. And now we'll take a look at the future tense. The future tense is used for actions that will happen. Like the present and past, there are three main forms. The future simple is used for actions that will happen in the general future. For example, I will go on a hike tomorrow, he will graduate high school next year, or they will join a book club. The future progressive is used for actions that will be happening at a specific point in the future. For example, I will be going on a hike at 8 a.m., he will be graduating high school in July, or they will be joining a book club next Tuesday. The future perfect is used for actions that will be completed by a specific point in the future. For example, I will have gone on a hike by 9 a.m., he will have graduated high school by the time I'm in college, or they will have joined a book club before they move. Signal words for the future tense include tomorrow, next week, soon, and in the future. Aside from the past, present, and future tenses, we also have conditional tenses. Conditional tenses are used for hypothetical situations, things that could happen in the future or could have happened in the past. There are four types: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. The zero conditional is used for facts or situations that are always true. For example, if it rains, the grass gets wet, or if I drink coffee, I get a headache. In the zero conditional, the word if can be replaced with the word when, and the sentence will still be accurate. When it rains, the grass gets wet, or when I drink coffee, I get a headache. The first conditional is used for probable results of realistic future situations. It sounds complicated, but let's look at some examples. If it rains today, the grass will get wet. Or, if I drink coffee, I will get a headache. Notice that the 0 and first conditional are nearly the same, but the first conditional has the added will in the second clause. The second conditional is similar to the first conditional, but instead of relating to realistic situations, it relates to probable results of hypothetical future situations. For example, if it rained, the grass would get wet, or if I drank coffee, I would get a headache. Although these outcomes are probable, the situation itself never happened, and it is only hypothetical. And finally, the third conditional is used for probable results of hypothetical past situations. In other words, speculating the results of things that didn't actually happen. For example, if it had rained, the grass would have gotten wet, or if I had drunk coffee, I would have gotten a headache. That concludes our review on tenses. We've covered the present, past, future, and conditional tenses, as well as signal words to help recognize each tense in its context. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series and keep practicing.